in the last lecture we have discussed problems based on arrangement if all things are distinct. Okay, in this lecture also we are discussing problems based on arrangement, but out of anything something are similar. Okay, now first problem of today's lecture is find the number of permutation that can be formed by using all the letters of the word insurance. Okay, here we have three problems. First problem is what? Vowels occupy odd place. Second problem is what? Vowels are always together. And third problem is what? Vowels being never together. Okay, so we have three problems. Okay, so first we are solving first problem. Okay, according to problems, what is given? Find the number of permutation that can be formed by using all the letters of the word insurance. Okay, so first we are finding how many letters are there. Okay, so in insurance we have I, then N, then S, then U, then R, then A, then N, then C, then E. Okay, so if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 letters. And we have to use all the letters. Okay, now out of 9 letters, if you see here, there are 2N. Okay, so there are 2 letters are repeating, others are distinct. Okay, now in first problem, vowels occupy odd place. Okay, so here we have to take care of vowels. That means out of 9 letters, first you have to separate vowels and consonant. So vowels, and this side is consonant. Okay, so if you see vowels, there is I, then U, then A, then E. So there are 4 vowels. And consonant is what? N, then S, then R, then again N, and C. Okay, you can see there in consonant there are 2 consonants which are similar. Okay, 2 to N are similar. Okay, here we want vowels occupy odd place. Okay, we have to use all the 9 letters. Okay, so first you are taking 9 place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this one is what? First place. This one is second place. This one is third place. This one is fourth place. This one is fifth place. This one is sixth place. This one is seventh place. This one is eighth place. And this one is ninth place. Okay, we want vowels occupy odd place. Okay, so first we have to find out odd place. Okay, so in this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 odd place. Okay, and we have 4 vowels. Okay, so you want to arrange 4 vowels. That means you need how many place? 4 place. Okay, but we have 5 odd place. Okay, that means out of 5 odd place you have to select 4 odd place. Okay, so out of 5 you have to select 4 odd place, that is 5C4. Okay, so you selected 4 odd place. Okay, after selecting 4 odd place, correct? That means you have 4 place. Okay, and you have to arrange 4 vowels. Okay, this one give us selection of 4 place. Okay, so your task is over. After this task we got 4 place. Okay, now you have to arrange 4 vowels. Okay, so arrangement of 4 vowels is what? 4 factorial. Okay, so arrangement of vowels is done. Now you have to multiply because you have to arrange consonant also. Okay, so out of 9 place, at 4 place we arrange 4 vowels. Okay, so remaining is what? 5 place. Okay, and you have to arrange 5 consonant. Okay, so arrangement of 5 consonant at 5 place is what? 5 factorial. Okay, but out of 5 consonant there are 2 and are similar, so we have to divide by 2 factorial. Okay, now your task is over. First you arrange what? Vowels, then you arrange consonant. So you have to arrange all the 9 letters. So your task is over. So that's why this is your answer. Now we are solving second part. Second part is vowels are always together. Okay, so out of 9 letters we have 4 vowels and 5 consonant. Okay, here we want vowels are always together. That means we want all the 4 vowels should be together. So we are putting these 4 vowels in a box. I, comma U, comma A, comma E. Okay, and there are 5 consonant: N, S, R, C, and N. Okay, now we want all 4 vowels should be together. Okay, so what you will do, this box will assume as 1 unit. Okay, or we can take as what? 1 letter. Okay, so this is what? 1 letter, and these are 5 consonant. So total is what? 6 letters. So arrangement of 6 letters is what? 6 factorial. Okay, but out of 6 factorials, okay, this is what? 1 letter, but here if you see here there 2 n are similar, so you have to divide by 2 factorial because out of 6 letter 2 n are similar. Now see here, if you check arrangement of these 6 letter is what? N. Suppose box is coming, then S, R, C, N. Okay, inside box we have I, comma U, comma A, comma E. Okay, now inside box these 4 letters can be interchanged by 4 factorial ways. So arrangement of these 4 vowels is what? 4 factorial. Okay, and all are districts, so we have to take only 4 factorial. So this is your answer. Here all vowels are together. Now we are solving third part. Third part is what? Vowels being never together. That means we want all the vowels should be separate. Okay, so for that what you will do? First arrange consonant. So we have 5 consonant. So arrangement of 5 consonant is what? 5 factorial divided by, because 2 and are same, so we have to divide by 2 factorial. Okay, if you see here, there is consonant, 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 consonant. Okay, so we have 5 consonant. Between 5 consonant we have 6 gaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so between 5 consonant we have 6 gap. Okay, if you see here, okay, between 2 gap we can say 1 consonant is there. So we can say that here all the 6 gaps are separated by 1 consonant. Okay, so now we know that here all the gaps are separated by 1 consonant. Okay, now we want vowel should be separated. Okay, now we have 6 gaps and we have 4 vowels. Okay, if you put these 4 vowels at 4 gaps, we can say that vowels will be separated because gaps are also separated. But we have 6 gaps. Okay, and we have only 4 vowels. That means we have to select 4 gaps. So selection of 4 gaps is what? 6C4. Out of 6 gaps, you are selecting 4 gaps. So 6C4. Okay, suppose you got these 4 gaps, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so after selecting 4 gaps, you have to arrange 4 vowels. Okay, so arrangement of 4 vowels at 4 gaps is what? 4 factorial. Okay, because all are what? Different, so we have to take only 4 factorial. So this is your answer. Okay, 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 64 into 4 factorial. This is your answer. Next problem is find total words by using all the letters of the word intermediate. Okay, in which there are 2 problems. First problem is what? All vowels are separate, and second problem is what? Vowels and consonant are alternate. Okay, so these 2 problems we have to solve. Now solution. First we are solving first part. Okay, now according to problems we want to find out total words by using all the letters of the word intermediate. Okay, so first we will find out how many letters are there. Okay, so I first, then N, then T, then E, then R, then M, then E, then D, then I, then A, then T, then E. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 letters. Okay, now according to first problem, we want all vowels are separate. Okay, so for that what you will do? First in this one we have to find out vowels and consonant. Okay, so first we are finding vowels. Okay, so in this one vowels are what? I, then E, then again E, then after that I, then A, then E, and consonant. Okay, consonant is what? N, T, then R, then M, then D, then T. Okay, so there are 6 vowel and 6 consonant. Okay, in vowels if you check, there are 2 I and 3 E, and A is what? 1. Okay, in consonant if you check, there are 1 N, 1 2 T, 1 R, 1 M, and 1 D. Here we want vowels are separate. Okay, so in these type of problems, what you will do? See, we want vowels are separate. Then first arrange consonant. Okay, so there are 6 consonant. Okay, out of 6 consonant, there are 2 T are same. So arrangement of consonant is what? 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial, because 2 T are same. Okay, so what will come? consonant, 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 consonant. So there are 6 consonants that can be arranged by 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Now between 6 consonants there are 7 gaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so there are 7 gaps. Now you can see here that between 2 gaps there is one consonant. Okay, you can see here in between these 2 gaps also there is one consonant, in between also there is one consonant, in between also there is one consonant. So how many gaps are there? 7 gaps. Between every 2 gaps we have one consonant. Okay, we want vowels are separate. Okay, how many vowels are there? There are 6 vowels. Okay, so in 7 gaps if you put 6 vowels, okay, so if you put 6 vowels, we can say that vowels are separate because gaps are separate. But we have how many vowels? 6 vowels and gaps are 7. That means first you have to select 6 gaps out of 7 gaps. So selection of 6 gaps is what? 7C6. Okay, now you have to arrange vowels. Okay, how many vowels are there? There are 6 vowels. So arrangement of vowels is what? 6 factorial. Okay, now here if you check, there are 2 I is same. So you have to divide by 2 factorial. And 2 is what? 3 is what? Same. So you have to divide by 3 factorial. Okay, so your answer is what? This one. 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 7c6 into 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial. That is your answer. Okay, now if you check here, how 7c6 will come? 7c6 is what? 7. Okay, how 7 will come? Okay, now if you select this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so what will come? Vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay, there are 6 gaps, so we can say that here vowels are separate. Okay, now if you select this one, okay, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you can say that vowels, then consonant, then again consonant is coming, then vowels, then consonant, then vowels, then consonant, then vowels, then consonant, then vowels, then consonant, then vowels. So what we can say here, vowels are separate. Now suppose if you are selecting this one, then this one. Okay, you are not selecting this one, you are selecting this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so again we can say that vowels are separate. Okay, next is what? This one, this one, this you are selecting. You are not selecting this one, you are selecting this one, and this one. Okay, again we can say that vowels are separate. Okay, so this is first case, this is second case, this is third case, this is fourth case. Next is what? This one, this one, this one. You are selecting this one, you are not selecting this one, then again this one and this one. Okay, here also vowels are separate. Next case is what? This one, this one, this one, this one, then this one. You are not selecting this one, you are selecting this one. Okay, and last case is what? You are selecting this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. You are not selecting this one. Okay, so how many cases will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7, 6, 6 is what? 7. There are 7 ways. Now we are solving second part. Second part is vowels and consonant are alternate. Okay, so in second part we want vowels and consonant are alternate. Okay, after reading this one, some student will think that first and second problem both are same, but there is difference between first problem and second problem that I will discuss here. Okay, so in this one we want vowels and consonant are alternate. Okay, so for solving this one we can arrange first either vowels or consonant. Okay, so you can arrange any one. Okay, now in first problem we arrange consonant. Okay, so here also first we are arranging consonant. Okay, so there are 6 consonant. Okay, so arrangement of 6 consonants are 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial because 2 t are same. Okay, so you are arranging consonant, 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 consonant. Okay, so between 6 consonant there are 7 gaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and there are 6 vowels. So out of 7 gaps, in 6 gaps you have to arrange vowels. Okay, now what you will do in first problem there are 7 ways. Okay, in second problem we want vowels and consonant are alternate. So out of 7 case, okay, you have to select gaps where vowels and consonant are alternate. Okay, so you are selecting gaps. So suppose you are selecting this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. There are 6 gaps. Okay, so vowels, consonant, vowels, consonant, vowels, consonant, vowels, consonant, vowels, consonant, vowel, consonant. That means in first case we can say that vowels and consonant are alternate. So this case is valid. Okay, now second case. Second case is what? Vowels, then consonant, then we are not getting any vowels, then again consonant is coming. So in second case, we can say that there are two consonants are together. That means second case is not valid. Okay, third case. In third case, we'll get vowels, then consonant, then vowels, then again what will become consonant. Then here there is no vowels, then again what will become consonant. Okay, so in third case also we are getting two consonants are together. So this is also not valid. Okay, next case. In next case, we'll get what vowels, consonant, vowels, consonant, vowels. Then what will become consonant? But there is no vowels, so again what will become consonant. So in this one also there are two consonants are together. So this is also not valid. Okay, next case. In next case, what will come? Vowels, consonant, vowels, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant. Then here we are not getting any vowels. Then again consonant. Okay, so here also two consonants are together. Okay, so this is also not valid. Okay, next case. Vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant. Then again vowel, then consonant. But here we don't get any vowels. Then again consonant coming. So here also two consonants are together. Okay, now last case. Okay, so this is also not valid. Then again vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay, so if we see here what we are getting, vowel, then consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. So how many vowels are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many consonants? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last is what? 6. So there are 6 vowels and 6 consonants. In this case also we are getting vowels and consonants are alternate. In this case also we are getting vowels and consonants are alternate. So how many cases will be there? Only 2 cases. So you have to multiply into 2. Okay. Now you have to arrange vowels. So vowels arrangement is what? 6 factorial divided by, out of 6 vowels, 2 I is what? Same. So we have to divide by 2 factorial. And 3 E's are same. So we have to divide by 3 factorial. Okay. So this is your answer. So there's a difference between first and second. In first we'll get 7 keys. In second we'll get only 2 keys. So that is your answer.